IMT Ghaziabad has a very strong hold over its marketing specialization, and I have always aspired to build a career in the same. IMT also has a very comprehensive and rigorous curriculum. I had a few points in my mind, like the faculty, the alumni base, and the placements of a particular B school. So the faculty here in IMT, they are very experienced, and most of them come right from the industry.
The alumni base will be the ones which will be the bellwether and the network that will help you move from point A to point B. Out of classroom activities and those activities that are able to make you a more holistic leader are also fundamentally very important.
So before joining IMT, I consulted a few friends of mine who were then pursuing their PGDM courses from IMT Ghaziabad itself. I also reached out to a few alumni to better understand IMT.
I would strongly encourage all the aspirants to actually make the effort to come along to the campus that they would like to be part of and see and witness the place by yourselves and for yourselves. Our practice-driven education in the classroom and outside, our centers of excellence that we currently have in the Center for Data Sciences, Center for Enterprise and Business Improvement,
social responsibility, sustainability and business, and it strives hard to inculcate all these values among all its students.
And of course, what you also have to remember is that we have a Center for Faculty Development that finally underpins a lot of the effort that faculties make in the classroom for a great learning experience.
It provides us with the required placement support right from the preparations to choosing a right career.
There are some programs here that no other institutions currently offer. And I think that's a growth driver for us, and that possibly is a growth driver for the student in the longer term.
The students in IMT, they come from diverse backgrounds and varied cultures. This helps us to understand various perspectives, acknowledge and incorporate those perspectives while making decisions.
It is a location where a lot of organizations, a lot of industry, a lot of leaders of the industry have actually moved towards.
So being located in the center of the industrial ecosystem, the learning here at IMT is very experiential.
Having the right kind of faculty in the classroom, whether that be as adjunct, whether that be as guest, whether that be as full-time, colleges or institutions that have a locational advantage are able to provide a much more seamless learning experience. Our students are obviously prepared for various aspects as far as the definition of career is concerned.
Right from learning negotiations, cross-cultural skills, business simulation, and how to talk to people and how to present yourself in a meeting.
Careers are also about being able to be adept in various other contexts, small and medium enterprise, the public sector. These are all areas where we fundamentally believe that our learning is able to prepare them in that particular direction.
All these concepts are very well taught to us so that we are ready when we step into the industry.
But IMT Ghaziabad is currently doing a lot more to be able to create a confluence between technology, management, and also a certain liberal arts orientation. I think we can't run away from the fact that technological appreciation is here to stay, and that will dictate a lot of outcomes in the long term.